The number one is Trade Union Congress of the Philippines or TUCP. The Trade Union Congress of the Philippines or TUCP is the largest national trade union center in the Philippines. Founded in 1975 by labor leader Democrito Mendoza, TUCP is affiliated with the International Confederation of Free Trade Unions and the International Trade Union Confederation. A trade union is an organization made up of members or a membership-based organization, and its membership must be made up mainly of workers. One of a trade union's main aims is to protect and advance the interests of its members in the workplace. Most trade-in unions are independent of any employer. House of Representatives Deputy Speaker Raymond Democrito Cañete Mendoza is a Filipino politician and labor leader, serving as the president of TUCP, the largest labor center and confederation of labor federations in the Philippines. Arnel Dolendo, the Secretary General of the TUCP, and Esperanza Ocampo, the Treasurer of TUCP. The TUCP is one of the lead convenors of the Nagkaisa Labor Coalition and the largest labor coalition in the country today, composed of 42 labor federations and organizations. The Nagkaisa Labor Coalition is the forefront in the fight against contractualization and strengthening the security of tenure. The Trade Union Congress of the Philippines or TUCP calls on government economic managers to tackle head-on threefold challenge of the high food inflation, creation of new jobs and addressing poor job quality. The number two is Kilusang Mayo Uno or KMU. The Kilusang Mayo Uno or May 1st movement, also known by its initials KMU, is an independent labor center in the Philippines. It promotes genuine militant and patriotic trade unionism, and the KMU was established on May 1, 1980 to fill a clear need for a workers' organization that would stand for workers' rights and against foreign dominance. It was founded by Felix Berto Olalia, Senior Elmer Labog, the chairperson, and the Secretary General is Jerome Adonis. The federation started out with 7 founding union federations and 50,000 members. By 1990, the KMU reported having as many as 750,000 members affiliated under its unions. In the 1990s, the movement separated into several smaller organizations over ideological, political, and organizational differences. Today, the KMU is organized into 11 national federations and 1 regional federations with approximately 125,000 affiliate members. KMU also has 3 affiliate mass organizations, the Pagkakaisa ng mga Samahang Super at Operator Nationwide or PISTON, Solidarity of Drivers and Operators Organizations Nationwide, Kalipunan ng Damayang Mahihirap or Kadamay Federation of Mutual Aid for Poor, and Migrante Philippines. The KMU is one of the 2 primary labor centers alongside the Trade Union Congress of the Philippines. It is a social movement union closely linked with broader national democratic movement in the Philippines. The organization brands its unionism as genuine, militant, and nationalist. Federation of Free Workers or FFW. The FFW is prominent labor federation that promotes the rights and welfare of workers through collective bargaining, education, and advocacy. It represents workers in various industries across the country. It is a national trade union center in the Philippines, and it was founded in June 1950 and has dues-paying membership of around 40,000. Attorney Sani Matula is the national president and Mr. Oliver Mondigo is the national vice president of TGE Federation for pre-workers. And FFW is registered under Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE and is affiliated with the International Labor Organization or ILO with the mission to help workers from different sectors of society unite in a trade union to realize decent work through FFW Christian Social Democratic programs.